Alright, here we go. It's unboxing time, guys. So today we're going to be unboxing for the PS4 God of War 3 Remastered. Heck yeah. Let's get right into it. It's now part of the PlayStation Hits. Okay. Heck yeah. Played this game a long time ago for the PS3. Me and a buddy beat it, and it was fantastic. But here's a better look at the front. We got the spine, the back, 39 gigs, and we got the inside here, which looks like it has some back artwork, so let's take that out. That's cool. Heck yeah. Yeah. So anyways, there you have it, guys. That was my unboxing of God of War 3 Remastered for the PS4. That is it for today. Have a good one.